Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view Snapchat stories without the person knowing. That means they won't be notified that you've seen their story. And you can also screenshot, screen record, or save it to your gallery without them finding out. First off, make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat. Once you're in the app, open it up and let me show you how this works. I'm logged into my new account here. I'll quickly switch over to my main account, view the story, and show you that this trick works. To start, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the options menu. And turn on airplane mode. Also, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned off at this point. Next, go back to the Snapchat story you want to view. You'll need to make sure the story loads before you fully check it out. Once it's fully loaded, you can now take a screenshot, screen record, or save it without Snapchat notifying the other person. When you're done viewing and saving the story, exit Snapchat. If you're on Android, you'll need to clear the app data, but if you're on iOS, simply delete Snapchat from your phone. After that, head to the App Store, or Google Play if you're on Android, and re-download Snapchat. Once you've reinstalled Snapchat, turn your Wi-Fi back on and log into your account again. Now, when you check the story, it won't show that you've viewed it or taken any screenshots. That's how you can view Snapchat stories without the person knowing. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe. Drop any questions you have in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.